The 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid brings a new level of efficiency and fun to the crossover segment. Is this the best choice for your family? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, and then select Honda. At AutoNation, we make it easy to find what you want fast. This is the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid Sport Touring. It's a smart crossover that is loaded with features. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 145 horsepower. This is combined with a pair of electric motors, one to drive the wheels and a second for regen and start, for a total system output of 204 horsepower. Instead of a traditional transmission, Honda's 4th-generation hybrid uses a new direct drive system. This employs a pair of electric motors that run in series when driving around town. Most of the time, the gas motor turns the generator to make electricity, charging the integrated 1.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, which then powers the drive motor. When needed, the system switches to parallel mode, allowing the gas engine to power the wheels directly. It's a unique solution that yields excellent results. Our tester has the optional Honda real-time all-wheel drive system. In this trim, the EPA rates economy at up to 40 miles to the gallon around town and 34 on the highway. Hybrids are optimized for stop and go, so they usually do better in the city test. In the back, the cargo area fits up to 76.5 cubic feet of gear with the seats folded flat. With the seats back in position, second row seating is nicely appointed with dual USB-C chargers, vents, and a fold-down armrest with integrated cup holders. Up front is a modern and rich driving experience. But where some car makers are going all in with digital buttons, Honda still has physical controls throughout. The gauge cluster is a combination of digital and analog design, with lots of visual options. The central touchscreen runs the latest Honda system, with maps, music, and integration of mobile devices through Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Wireless charging is also included at this trim level. In terms of safety, the Honda CR-V is loaded with collision mitigation, blind spot warning, rear camera with cross-traffic alerts, and it even has adaptive cruise control with lane centering. On the road, the Honda CR-V is a surprisingly fun crossover to drive. The operation of the hybrid system is seamless, with ample power on hand with a simple push of the throttle. In the corners, the suspension keeps the CR-V well planted, and the paddle shifters give the driver complete control. Hit the trails and take advantage of the CR-V's hill descent control system, which will make every driver feel a bit more confident on steep, slippery slopes. The new Honda CR-V starts at $29,500, whereas a loaded hybrid with all-wheel drive and all the features you see here starts at $40,200. For more information on the latest from Honda, visit your local AutoNation Honda dealer. Get started at AutoNationDrive.com today.